In this video, I will demonstrate how to scan a document into FileStream using the simple scan interface. Please note you will need to have a Twain compatible scanner connected. From the standard ribbon, select the Scan button. The scanning interface will appear and you'll be able to locate your connected scanner. Within the interface, you can also amend details such as the file name, the file type, and whether the document is a single page or a multi-page. At the bottom of the scanning window, you have three options. You can import the document into your in tray. You can save the document out of FileStream, or you can append it to a selected document. You'll have to have the correct document highlighted in your in tray for that option to work. When you're happy with the options, press the Scan button. You'll then have further options to select whether the page will be in black and white, the resolution, the paper size, paper source, and whether you want continuous scan function on or off. When you're happy, select Scan. Your scanned document will now appear in this list view, along with a preview slightly higher up. If you're happy with the preview, you can hit Import, and that will bring the document into your in tray. There we go. If I look at Image View, that's our scanned document. If you need any other help with scanning, please don't hesitate to contact support@filestreamsystems.co.uk.